Hi everybody, welcome back to our unboxing video for this week. We don't have very much that we picked up this week. We went to Funky Town and a beautiful mess, I believe is what it's called, in Russellville. We go there all the time, so we didn't video inside this time around. And as you can see, the very first thing that I have here is I went ahead and I have it out for display. This is a Anchor Hawking grape cluster punch bowl and stand. It's 2 pieces. So it has a stand, and then it has the bowl, it has the plastic ladle, and then it has 12 little cups with the same motif on it. That was a really good deal. I paid probably about half price of what you would normally find this for. I looked past it because the actual stand was inside the bowl. It wasn't at all. It was just a punch bowl. It looked like a punch bowl with a bunch of cups, and I was like, but then when I seen that it had a stand with it, I dug through it and we put it together so that I could see what it looked like, and I very much love it. It's mid-century. I have snack plates and cups that also match this that I'm about to list on my shop from last week's video. So I'll probably be offering all of it together for a discount since they are the same brand, which is Anchor Hawking, and they are the same motif. All right, so the second thing, let's see, and this one was at Funky Town. I'm going to try to show you the stuff from Funky Town first. So this was from a beautiful mess. Let me put that over there. This as well. So this was my next favorite find, if not my favorite find. This is silver. I'm not quite sure of the maker. I didn't really check. It's really heavy. It's footed. You can see the little feet on there. I don't know. And luckily it had the glass piece in it. It's a serving chafing dish, however you want to call it. And it sets down in there. Let's see if I can find the maker on here. I don't think I can. I'm probably going to have to clean it up and actually do some research on it. But it was a really good deal. In fact, I found a lot of stuff in that booth. I only grabbed a couple of things in that booth, but I wanted to grab like a bunch of stuff. So that was probably my favorite pick besides the punch bowl. All right. Let's see what else I got from Funky Town. This came from the same booth as well. Now this is F.B. Rogers. This is a condiment bowl. It actually has the little spoons with it. I don't know if you can see those. But F.B. Rogers is really collectible. It still has the actual original sticker on the bottom. How cute is that? All right. And let's see. I don't remember some of this stuff. Let me see what this one was. Oh, Adam found this. I got one of these last video. And I wasn't going to pick it up, but it was a really good deal. And I thought, because the lid that I gotten that I showed y'all, it really didn't fit on there very well. I had this extra lid, and I'm dying to put it on something, but every time I buy one of these, it never fits. So now I have 2 of these, so I'm going to sell them as a pair. That's Indiana glass, diamond point, if you're wanting to know who the maker of that is. All right. Now I'm trying to remember what else I got from over there. Oh, here it is. All right. Then I found, this was the very first thing I found when I was there today. It's a little serving relish tray. You could put, but you don't have to use this as dining. You could put like this on a vanity and use it as like a dresser for like storage for jewelry, rings, things like that. I thought it was really cute. And it was a really good deal. I really got a lot of silver and glass pieces today, if you can tell. Let's see what else I got in here. This was the last, this thing right here that I got. This is Austrian China. It still has the price on it, so I'm going to kind of tilt it away. But this is Imperial, made in Austria. This is the lid. Really cute. I don't remember what they call these. It's like a soup urn or soup tureen or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have a ladle or anything like that with it, but it was a good price for what I paid for it. In fact, I'm supposed to take the price off. I'll have to clean that up a little bit. But this is all we actually could find at Funky Town today. We didn't do a large haul today. We just didn't find a lot of good things. Everything was kind of high dollar today. I had to kind of really hunt for good deals. All right. So again, this stuff was found at Funky Town, and then I'm going to show you now what we found at A Beautiful Mess. So first things first, let me go ahead and show you this. This is a, I believe, Hall Montgomery Ward picture. These are really, really kitschy and collectible. It was a really cheap price. It has like a little bit of a crack right there on the lid, but nothing too bad. For the price I paid, it was worth it. It's really cute. It almost looks like Kmart or something more high dollar, but this isn't. You can clearly see on the bottom, it's a little bit faded out though. This is made exclusively by Montgomery Ward, and it was the Hall collection. Sorry about that, you guys. All right. So this next piece I found in A Beautiful Mess as soon as I walked in the door. It was in a case. And I always look at these cases and I never see good deals because they're kind of high dollar stuff. But this, I could not resist. It was a really good deal. There's one piece to it. And we all know how I love round dishes. How cute is this? It does have a few little ripple chips in it. Nothing too bad. There's like a ripple chip, what I call a ripple chip right there, and a ripple chip right there. But it's not too bad. It's still very pretty. Once it's cleaned up, it's going to be wonderful. Too cute. All right. I believe that's all in that bag. So we're on to our last piece. Like I said, I didn't get much this week. Okay. So this piece, I have already had one of these. It sold really fast. This is Anchor Hawking, or no, I'm sorry, this is not Anchor Hawking. This is Fire King. It is a planter. It's milk glass. I'd already sold one of these. Adam's the one that actually found this. It was in a booth. I had 20% off. So with the 20% off, this was a really good deal. All right. Okay. So these, I have this. And then I have this one. This is these are daisy and button fostorias. I had to do some research on these. I see these all the time, and I wasn't quite sure what they are. They're top hats, and they're collectible. So they were way underpriced for what they are. So I snagged them up. It's funny because I found some in another booth up the way after I found these two, and they were like triple the price of what I paid for these. So obviously, whoever sold these didn't really know what they had. They do need to be cleaned up. They are really dirty. But again, Fostoria. Daisy and Button is what it's called. All right. And then, of course, my last piece. So this is a yellow, whitish, kind of clear Jeanette bowl. I have one that's a pedestal bowl already that I got from Alma. And that's the reason I picked this up. This was priced really, really low, and it matches it. So I'm going to sell them together for a discount. I'm not going to sell them together, but I'm going to offer a discount if people want this one and the pedestal bowl. This is probably 1930s. It is depression glass. It is embossed, and it is raised, like you can feel the pattern on here. And it's considered Jeanette Louisa, I believe. I'll have to look it up. I cannot remember the exact, I'm sorry about that, the exact term of what it's called, but I do know that it was way underpriced for what it is. All right. Again, like I said, our haul this week was really small, but some really good pieces. I had to really do some hunting this week for you guys. So Again, these will be on my shop, arpeddlerwagon.etsy.com. Make sure that you're favoriting my shop when you visit so that when you see, that way if things are not listed that you see here on this video, you can favorite my shop. And then when they are listed, you'll get notifications whenever I have new items. That way you can keep an eye out for your favorite thing. I think that's all I have for you today. So until next week, bye.